the show the shame, embarrassment, hesitation associated with menstruation. Now, these are women too, Rohingya refugees. They go through what many women across the country go through, but for years they've used cloth instead of using tampons and sanitary napkins. And in those days that they have their period, they often, because of the shame, don't wash their cloth outside and dry them out in the open. This has led to a lack of hygiene and is one of the major issues that they have to confront.
हमारा भी ऐसे हमें शर्म लगता है, हमारा जान में ऐसे नहीं है, मतलब इसको छुपा के रखना वो ही धर्म हमारा.
It is a taboo, a streak of shame that crawls upon her each month. She will hide it, suffer the embarrassment, the discomfort and the pain that comes with periods.
कपड़ा यूज़ करती थी, फिर वो धोते हैं, धो के फिर सुखाते हैं, सुखा के फिर दोबारा यूज़ करते हैं.
The women of the Rohingya settlement here in the heart of the national capital need a lot of persuasion to talk about this taboo subject. Amidst embarrassed smiles, they tell us that a sanitary napkin is perhaps the last thing they would think of spending their money on.
अगर आप सैनिटरी नैपकिन खरीदोगे तो आप घर के खाने पीने के खर्चा से पैसा निकालना होगा आपको.
हाँ, देखो सब्जी से कुछ निकालेंगे, चावल से कुछ निकालेंगे, दूध से कुछ निकालेंगे, ऐसे ऐसे हो जाएगा. उसी का पैसा ही है सोचना.
An old dupatta or a kurta is often sacrificed, ripped into thin strips to become a sanitary cloth. Saved and used judiciously, one for an entire day, to be washed for reuse.
रात को धोते हैं.
क्यों शाम को धोते हैं?
मतलब लेडीज लोग मर्द लोग रहते हैं, अच्छा नहीं लगता देखने में, दिखाने में. हमें शर्म आता, हमारे धर्म में नहीं है लेडीज का चीज़ मर्द को देखनी चाहिए, अच्छा नहीं लगता.
This is one of the only 2 water sources available to the women here. They will have to wait for their turn every day, after making sure that the men of the community will not see them washing the stains of humiliation.
Many women here tell me that they wash the clothes of their husbands with soap and clean water. But when it comes to their own sanitary cloth, they decide to wash it here, as they believe that anything to do with their periods is inherently filthy and polluting.
It is in this dirty drain that they will wash their sanitary cloth, and in this dingy shed where they are left to dry out. One can only imagine the high risk of infection these women are running.
उस साइड पे धोता, हम इधर नहीं धोते कि इधर बर्तन में मांजता है, नहाता है, बच्चा लोग बैठते हैं, हम इधर नहीं धोते, साइड पर के धोते.
In these narrow lanes, behind every curtain, the shame is kept under wraps. The men refuse to speak to us on the dirty issue. The women, however, have learned to live with the shame.
The rights of these refugees perhaps remain a topic of discussion in another forum. But the concerns of women seeking a dignified period remain universal. In our own country, about 88% of 355 million menstruating women have no access to something as basic as sanitary napkins. With video journalists Sumit Jagori and Suraj Chaudhary in New Delhi, Kamala Shripada.